Hello everybody, Ben DeBar here again. Today is August 24th, 2012. Me and Pepper are back up here on Norris Lake in St. Francis, Minnesota, running some more old motors. This is motor number 3 today. This is a 1978 4-horse Johnson. It does have the weedless drive on it. Has the weedless lower unit on it. It's a nice clean motor. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and give you a little demonstration on this one. It's a nice little fishing motor. Runs pretty good. Okay, that'll do it for this one. We'll go out and get the next one out of the truck. Thanks for watching. Bye.